Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Oluwajoba. I'm a makeup artist based in Europe, and today we'll be transforming my gorgeous model. I'm starting out with her eyebrows, and I'm using the LA Girl Slim Shady pencil. I'm just lightly filling in her brows, and then I'll go ahead to use the spoolie to blend in the brows. Using my concealer, I'm cleaning out her eyebrows. After that, I will go in with the P.Louise base shade as my eyeshadow base so that my eyeshadow has something to stick onto. I want to achieve a mini cut crease, so I'm taking this brown shade from my Morphe palette. I'm going to leave the details of all the products that I use in this video in the description box below so that you guys can see it, and in case you're interested you can get it. So I'm going in with this brown shade, and I'm just using it to bring out her crease. And then I'll go in with a lighter brown shade in that same palette. I'm using this palette only for this look, and I'm using this lighter shade to blend out the edges of the color that I applied on her crease. Then I decided to go in with a deeper shade of brown in that same palette. So for this look, I'm using just this Morphe palette, and I'm using that to further deepen the crease color. Now I'm going in with my P.Louise base shade again. It's in the shade 2, and I'm using that to cut the crease to give it like a moon-like shape. And then I'm applying a nude shade from that same palette to set the lid. Because I don't want a very precise cut crease, I'm also blending out the edges of the cut crease so that it blends in with the shadow that I applied before. And then going in with this brown shade, like a nude shade, going in with this nude shade from that palette. I'm just applying that on the lid. And what you want to do is you want to take it from the pan, take out the excess, and then just stamp what is left on the lid. Just take and stamp, that way your eyeshadow does not move. Yeah. So I've gone ahead to fix the lashes, and I am just trying to make sure that everything is in place. And then I'm just going to go in with the eyeliner. I'm using the Zaron gel liner in Jazz. This is one of my favorite black eyeliners, and I'm just using that to line our eyes. Okay, so we are done with our eyes for now, and moving on to the face. I decided to clean her face again, and I'm currently applying the moisturizer. I'm using the no more thirst moisturizer. I think, like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box below, so please check it out. And then I'm also applying the primer as well. I'm using the Primark primer. It has this really nice consistency which I like. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl highlighter, liquid highlighter. Look at how subtle it is. Like, you need to just apply a little and just blend it in. Can you see that sheer highlight that it gives her forehead? And I'm just applying that to the high point of her face, where I would want to highlight on a normal day. Yeah, just ensure that you have applied it and you blend it in so that it doesn't have any harsh edges. So for foundation, I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, and with a beauty blender I'm gently tapping that in. This video has obviously been fast forwarded, that's why you see that I'm really fast, but yeah, I'm really gentle with the application. And for this foundation process, so I'm just matching her face to her neck. I particularly love this foundation because it is full coverage and a little goes a long way. With the Revolution Pro setting powder, I'm applying that to set the high point of her face. And yeah, with the Zoeva contour palette, using that to contour and warm up her face. Can you see that structure is beginning to come back to the face? Warmth is beginning to come back to the face as well. Here I'm basically dusting off the excess powder from her face and then using my Maybelline face powder to set the remaining part of her face. For highlighter today, I'll be using my Doll Face highlighter. I can't remember the particular shade right now, but I will leave it in the description box below. I'm so in love with this highlighter, guys. I have 2 of them and I love them. Just take a look at how subtle but how beautiful it is on her skin. I'm applying this to the high point of her face, basically. Back to her eyes, I'm using the brown shade I used for the cut crease to smudge out the lower part of her eyes. Look at the difference that it makes. If you look at both eyes, like the one I have smudged out and the one I haven't, you can see that if without the smudge, it looks like the eyes are naked. Just wait, just take a look. See the difference? For the lips, I decided to use this nude pencil. I can't remember the exact name, but I'll leave it in the description box below. and I'm just using that to line her lips, the entire part of her lips, both the outer part and the inner part. I'm going to go over it with the P.Louise lip gloss. I can't remember the shade as well, but I will leave it in the description box below out, so please check it out. I'm using the Milani brow tint here to feather out her brows. I just like to use this in my process so that it makes the look effortless. I can't remember what she said, but she said something really nice and I just had to hug her. So this brow tint makes the brow look effortless, and it just feathers it out. To finish up the look, I'm spraying her face with a setting spray, and that's the complete look, guys. She loved this look and I absolutely love it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share this video on your social media pages. Until next time, guys, Jesus loves you. Bye.